Hello, welcome back to Mihitre German Academy. Welcome back to our brand new video series German Language and Your Career. In the previous episode of this series, we focused on training you for the basic German vocabulary required at the job or in the professional world. Watch the first episode of this series by clicking the appropriate link given in this video's description. In today's episode, the second episode of this video series, we are going to focus on forming some German sentences related to your career. So let's begin. Listen and repeat. The first sentence is Ich habe mich, ich habe mich für den Steller beworben. Ich habe mich für den Steller beworben. Means I applied for the job. Next sentence is Ich mache ein Praktikum. Ich mache ein Praktikum. Means I am doing an internship. Ich mache ein Praktikum. Next sentence is Ich habe der Job. Ich habe der Job. Whenever you surely get a job, you can say Ich habe der Job, which means I got the job. Ich habe der Job. Next sentence is a question. Was sind Sie von Beruf? What are you by profession? Whenever you wanted to ask this question to the person who is elder than you or whom you respect, you can ask Was sind Sie von Beruf? Next is a sentence Ich arbeite als Arzt. I work as a doctor. Ich arbeite als Arzt. I work as a doctor. Ich arbeite als Arzt. Moving on to the next sentence. Ich bin Ingenieur. Ich bin Ingenieur. I am an engineer. So if you are a doctor and or an engineer, and if somebody asks you Was sind Sie von Beruf? Then you can answer as Ich arbeite als Arzt, or if you are an engineer, Ich bin Ingenieur. Many of us have ambitions. One way is to complete these ambitions or fulfill these goals is to get high quality yet affordable education, and then we tell excitedly what we want to become. For example, we want to become an architect. Then we can say in German Ich werde Architect. Ich werde Architect. I want to be an architect, or I will be an architect. Ich werde Architect. So, this was the second episode of our brand new video series, German language and your career. See you soon in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Until the next time, tschüss.